Well, now we have made the mac and cheese. And yeah, we added milk and butter and everything. And we added, yeah, basically everything we need. So now we were putting it on the plates. Here, why don't you use the fork that we used to put butter in it with?
Put it in the sink.
But we'll wash it off. Anyway,
So next one.
this looks very yummy. Yum. Mmm. Good stuff. Mmm. Mhm. Mm. Mhm. Yum.
Hey, Bailey.
Mm. Mhm.
Yum.
Yum. So yeah. Mhm. Well, we're done. And can't wait to see what we're going to be making next. The M&L Cooking Show. We didn't even plan that, seriously.
Nope.
Bye. See you next time.